Welcome to my new channel on YouTube. It's called Ram-ology. The reason why it's called Ram-ology is we all have our own ideas of life that we lead by. We have our own analogies that we stand by. And we have our own psychologies that we have to deal with. So this channel is not going to be like any of the other channels you would have seen. I'm going to be teaching, learning, discussing, listening, talking about a lot of things which govern our daily lives. So technology is what I want to start with. And the reason why I want to start with technology is currently we are in this COVID lockdown for like a long time now. It seems like ever, but it's been about 4.5 months for most people. And technology is one of the things which has helped us get over this thing, right? Be it our work, productivity, or personal hobbies like photography, a lot of these things have stalled. But technology is something which continues to evolve and grow and makes us more productive or beneficial to our own ecosystems. So something very interesting happened. In about April, something came to my doorsteps, just like the story of the young Clark Kent, you would probably know, aka Superman. He crash landed on Earth many years ago, according to DC Comics. And he was picked up by Mr. and Mrs. Kent in a small town called Smallville in USA. Similar to that, a small baby was delivered to me at my doorstep. Someone left it there for me. I don't know who it was. And I want to review that baby for you. So what we're going to talk about today is a MacBook Pro 16-inch, the 2020 model. MacBook has always been at the cusp of quality, and everyone yearns for it. A lot of people desire for it, and a lot of people buy it, even though they probably don't use it or probably wouldn't really use a lot of those features. I work as a CMO for a fairly large multinational organization. We deal with AI, ML technologies and stuff. The idea is that I want to use these productivity tools that starts from Mac, right, as your laptop, as your base, and I want to build from that. So one of the things I'm going to review is first the unboxing experience, because Apple has a separate department within their company that actually pays a lot of attention to detail in terms of how the unboxing experience of a customer will be. But since this video has now been shot 3 months after I got the MacBook, I think we can also talk about the quirks and features of this MacBook. Meaning, there are a lot of features within MacBook which are class leading, which no one else is doing, and Mac does the best. And Apple is basically in the cusp of these new technological advancements. Apart from that, there are also some features which are more like gimmicks, but are also a bit like a pain in the butt, if you know what I'm saying. So those are some of the things which I want to highlight, along with some of the things which I believe that not a lot of people are going to use it. I know that there are a lot of features in Mac which either are pretty useless or which could have been highly enhanced, but at the same time, there are a lot of class-leading features in the MacBook Pro. So we are going to be talking about a lot of these things. And why is this the right MacBook for you, or is this the right laptop for you? This is the latest MacBook Pro, the 2020 16-inch with the touch bar, retina display, and most importantly, Apple's brand new, but kind of old, Magic Keyboard. Let's check this out. Usually, MacBooks or any Apple products, unboxing is one of the most amazing experience of it all. Apparently, Apple has its own unboxing division where all they do is test hundreds of thousands of different boxes, the quality and the unboxing experience and the fit and finish of the boxes. That's right, the actual cardboard boxes in which Apple products are shipped. And that also includes this wrapper that Apple gives along with each of its products. Taking this out. We will get to these at a bit later stage, so I'm just gonna deposit it right here. I've ordered the space gray. I already have the 15-inch 2015 model MacBook Pro. So this is very sleek, very nice. It's got its usual ports. And let's fire up this bad boy. This is one of the best things in Apple. Right now, as you can see, this is a translucent paper, and automatically it starts booting up the moment you take off the wrapper. As you can see, this is booting up for the first time, and I will explain what else you have in the boxes. Now, this is what you get in the box. You get the Apple booklet, which also contains what I'm told Apple has done something different this year. For all you folks, I mean, there's a separate community out there that actually has a collection of all Apple stickers so far. So right from the first iPhone to the AirPods and a lot of those things, these are basically stickers. Yes, my initial suspicion was correct. These are actually the stickers that match with the exact space gray that you have right now. So isn't that cool? This is the first time Apple has done something like this. So, and that of course is one of the things. And you have the charging cable, and then a 99.9 watt battery. So this is basically the biggest battery Apple has ever included in any device. This is probably the biggest battery of any laptop until date. And the limit for which you can fly with a battery and a laptop in an airplane is 100 watts. So Apple is almost just right there. Once I set this up, I'm going to take you through my experiences. Something tells me I'm going to love this. And I look forward to the next video where I'll explain in detail about some of the quirks and features of the latest MacBook Pro 2016. Thanks for watching, and thumbs up if you want to subscribe. The idea is to start from technology, and eventually this would lead to a far more broader talks about everything else in life. So if you want to be a Ram-ologist, subscribe to my channel, and you would know why this is different than the other channels.